In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete page on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. Let's get started. First off, open up Facebook app. Then go to menu. Tap at that arrow icon and choose a page you would like to delete. I'm going to choose that one. That will switch from your main profile to the selected page. After that, go to menu again. Tap at that gear to go into settings. On settings, tap right here at the top, at the search box, and search for delete. Then tap at delete page and the information. Select delete page. Tap at continue. Continue again. Scroll down to the very bottom and tap at continue. On the next step, enter your Facebook password in that field. Once you've done that, tap at continue and then continue again. On the next step, it says that the following page will be deleted and you will switch to your main profile. You can reactivate your page within 30 days by logging in as your main profile and going to account settings. To delete page, tap at that button. That's how you can easily delete page on Facebook. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any other topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay connected and happy Facebook using.